Hi, my name is Michael, and today you're going to learn how to build your own unique, perfect FLL robot. Now you should note that this is not a tutorial on how to build a specific robot. Rather, it is the steps that you and your team need to make in order to build your own unique robot. And the benefits of building your own unique robot are countless. So with that, let's get into step number 1. Step 1, planning. Every great design starts with a great plan. Sit down with your team and plan what missions you're going to do and in what order you're going to do them in. And then make sure to note any limitations like space for your robot and solutions you might have to those problems. Remember, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Step 2, effective design. Now that you have a plan, it's time to make the most effective design. Think about your robot structure, size, and the parts you're going to need. Make sure your robot design is sturdy. And most of all, make sure your robot design is efficient at solving your selected FLL challenges. Step 3, building and testing. Assemble your robot according to your design plan. But remember, it's probably not going to work the first time, so make use of trial and error to perfect your design. Step 4, programming. Now, although this is not technically building your robot, it goes hand in hand when you're trying to complete missions and make it up that leaderboard. Your programming team can be making use of pseudocode to kind of map out what their code's going to do before perfecting the little bits while your other build team designs your robot. This will allow your team to do much more work in a smaller time frame. I would just like to take a second to remind you of how important teamwork is throughout this entire design process. Whether that's communication between your build team and your coding team, or feedback on another teammate's ideas, teamwork is crucial to your design process. In the world of FLL, a great plan and a great design can lead to great success. So remember to plan, create an effective design, build, program, and then test thoroughly. If you do all those things, your team is on the path for great success. Again, my name is Michael. Thank you for watching.